What's up guys on YouTube? It is 2 in the morning right now. There's the proof right here. 2 in the morning. 2:18 to be exact. And we got up at 1 o'clock in the morning and we are about to be on the way to Atlanta. It's 3.5 hours away from where I live. But we're going to a big car show and I'm really excited to go there. It's supposed to be a lot of exotic cars and it's gonna be fun. It's just gonna be a hell of a drive there. I'm already so tired, so I'm getting gas right now and then get me something to keep me up, you know, 5-hour energy or something. But yeah, I see you guys. We're going to Birmingham first and we're meeting somebody with a Nissan GTR there. And then the CLK 55 and we're all gonna be driving in a line towards Atlanta, so that's gonna be fun. So I see you guys there. Okay, so we just met up over here.
Oh, chance.
What's your name? Mike and
Tyler.
And we're about to head out. We are 4 people. I thought it was only gonna be 3 of us. But that's the sexiest GTR in the world. It's insane. Dude, that's a sick Camaro though. Like it. Okay guys, so we just made it to Atlanta and it is 5:16 right now, but it actually is 4:16. And there's an hour time difference between Alabama and Georgia, and yeah, I'm so tired right now. Like, it's really bad. The Nissan GTR is crazy. Like, it sounds so insanely good. It has over 1,000 horsepower. Like, that thing is a beast. So we got the Nissan GTR going on, my C43, a CLK 55, and it looks like the 2017 Camaro. I'm not quite sure, but I think it is the 2017 model. I will see you guys over there and get some good shots of the cars. I'm gonna be excited what kind of cars are gonna be there, so I will see you there. Okay, so we just got to the exotic car meet over here. We got the Honda going on over here. Each sticker adds 10 horsepower to it. And the aerodynamics going on. Got Corvette going on over here. Our cars are parked right there.
Got the sleeper.
We got the sleeper over there with the V12. Oh damn! At least 500 horsepower right there. Yeah, so excited to see the cars. Unfortunately, we can't go inside the event because we're not cool enough, you know, we can't go inside. But we can at least check out.
Shit.
Yeah, we don't have the exotic cars.
Exotic
He's the one that got piss the most right there.
I'm about to piss my pants.
Look at that Porsche Panamera going on over there.
I know, how did they get it there?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
Somebody airlifted it up there.
I swear, dude. You got more subscribers. Your videos are...
You were in my... Why did this make a video?
I love those. okay. I just think too rolled. Check before it. Oh, James Bond.
Paul Walker's car right there. Dude, that's just sick, man. Dude, that is sexy too. Oh my god, man.
Ariel Adam. Mr. Bond. I doubt it. I mean,
That's pretty sick.
Oh, yeah.
QM3.
so like he has like 6.
Yeah, that's an M6.
Those two.
That's a beauty right there. V10, man, that sounds so sweet. Dude, I'm surprised there's so many Lotus here.
I don't know.
$280. You know, that's what my dad used to have. Yeah.
It's just the potential.
Hey, take the camera.
Top speed.
80.
That's like the best. Oh yeah. I like this. You got your 5-liter benzene. Pay that. 20. There goes a bracelet.
Tesla?
This is 5. And that's it 5.
Hey, ask the Tesla to rev the engine.
You know, I thought about it and I was like, wait.
It's a good. Oh, look at the bends.
Hey, hey, look at that seat. That's blacked off, man.
Oh, see, they are some. They're just lazy too. You know how Mercedes drivers are. And through on flip flops. Fuck it, let's go.
Jogging pants, man.
Yeah. I swear that would be me. Hey, let me get a rev.
What did he say?
He said, I wish.
Oh shit. Whoa, damn, man.
Camry.
Do an exhaust. Nah, man.
Oh, baby. Oh, let me get everything.
They got a.
sick, man.
Thanks, bro.
Love it.
One of 25. No, he's an older guy. Another Fisker car. 1 of 25.
See the license plate though, that's sick. I need me one of those.
I know, he's got one too. On the Ferrari.
Should've.
Germany flag.
Look at the doll in the back seat. Oh my god, I had a blow up doll.
GTR squad. There's like 2 GTRs.
Okay.
Oh my god, I thought that was the minivan.
Why don't you go with the dovetail? What do you think? This
I think we can go in now.
All the GTRs.
Oh, dude, I swear to God, I thought that was Vin Diesel. For sure. That's a flag. Oh, what the hell's a clutch ride? Whip it around. Got a rev it. Hey.
That's a 6.2 liter.
Yeah.
But then I would have missed it. It was like 12 miles away.
There you go. Can't find it, grind it.
Wait a second.
We gotta get out of the street, back on the sidewalk, alright? Guys?
I didn't expect that from him.